Are you thinking of buying a newly constructed home? Well, to hear the biggest factor and why you might want to do this in Flagstaff, join me now. Hello, I'm Katanya Hartwell with Village Land Shop. I'm a realtor serving Flagstaff and the surrounding areas. I've lived here for almost a decade and I love it here. I post new videos weekly, so make sure you subscribe right there so you're sure to see future content. Buying a newly built home can be a lot of fun, but it's not for everyone. If you're thinking about it, here are some points to consider. Now, I'm not talking about a custom designed and built from vacant land you purchased home. I'm talking about when a construction company has already picked out where it's going to be and they're building new homes there. So first, consider the cost perspective. You can get a newly built home in Flagstaff for the same price as an older home, but with the reduced maintenance, the trendy updates, the latest building practices, and the fun of picking out your own designs. Let me unpack some of that. In an older home, the foundation has settled, so your floor may slope a little, your windows and doors may become sticky or unlevel, your chimney and stonework might require tuck pointing, and all of this can be just fine, but it should be tended to. Not to mention the long-term replacements of the water heater, the furnace, or the roof. No one wants a leaky roof. Well, a new home comes with at least a 2-year builder's warranty, along with the warranties for new appliances, fixtures, and operational equipment. And many buyers choose to purchase a 2 to 10-year extended warranty, which further reduce the cost of unexpected maintenance. Speaking of unexpected costs, styles change over time. And the trendy updates of a modern kitchen or bath in an older home can really pack a punch to your wallet. In a newly built home, you get to choose the appliances, countertops, wall coverings, floor covering, bathroom and kitchen tile, special lighting and plumbing, special electronics and in-wall wiring, fixtures, paint colors, wall textures, tankless water heater, even your own floor plan. Or if that's overwhelming, utilize the builder's home design experts for help. If personalizing a new home isn't your thing, builders also provide move-in ready homes. But let's face it, the emotional factor of buying a home that's all new is big. It's fun, it's exciting. Basically, you get the fun task of personalizing your home with the only limitation being your imagination or your budget. When it comes to your budget, it's good to know that builders generally offer new home incentives. These incentives might cover any one of the following: mortgage payments, closing costs, property taxes, homeowner insurance payments, free upgrades, and sometimes even cash discounts. Ever heard the adage that you can get 2 out of the following 3: quick, cheap, or good quality? Well, in a new home, another factor is the quality, the improved building codes. When you look at safety issues, it's no longer common to see breaker boxes in the bathroom or wide slats in the balcony fencing that allow children or pets to fall through. You see more handrails on deck stairs and GFCI electrical outlets. There's better fire protection for wood-burning stoves and newer safeguards against carbon monoxide poisoning. Newer homes also have upgraded energy efficiencies, from water-efficient plumbing to better quality insulation and low E3 windows, even fresh air exchanges and innovative furnaces, all geared towards making your home cooler in the summer, warmer in the winter, all at the lowest cost and lowest energy use possible. Now, at the beginning, I told you I would share with you the biggest factor in deciding whether or not to buy a new construction home. That would be the location. While there are so many benefits to purchasing a new home, the location is something that you can't really control because the builder has already decided where that's going to be. Especially in Flagstaff, we are pretty much landlocked. There are very few places where you can purchase new land. Some of the neighborhoods still have land available to purchase in them, and that's great because you could buy a little lot and build your own custom build, 100% your design, the place where you want it, home. And you can oftentimes get a new construction home loan to do that. Of course, another way to get around that is just to raise the current structure and start from scratch. That's kind of expensive, and that's a whole other topic. Just remember, whether you choose to buy a new home build or an older home, your home is your castle, or maybe your sanctuary. It's all about making it feel, well, like home. If you like this video or you found the information helpful, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. And please make sure that you subscribe and click the bell so you get notifications. Thanks, and I'll see you next time. All right, moving along. All geared towards keeping your home cooler in the winter and warmer in the summer. Just say it. All right, I'm gonna stop now.